If you want to learn how production data collection can help you get more exact times for your post calculation and at the same time monitor your production better, then this video is for you. In the world of digital production control, it is important that your employees are able to report production data at the workplace precisely and up to date. In a moment, I will show how you can also differentiate between setup and production times for individual orders. With the popular production feedback at the end of the working day or shift, the production planner does not learn which orders were processed today until the PDC feedback is coming in. However, he does not know what is being processed now. The alternative of PDC start-stop reporting for production data collection offers you the big advantage that the production planner already learns digitally about the start of order processing with the start message of the working process. Exactly this information advantage helps you to better estimate the production progress of all orders in production. For more transparent production monitoring, the EVO app is ideal for starting and stopping jobs to record job times. Using the EVO app, in this case on a tablet computer, the worker can start the job and then stop it again. It is even better if a corresponding tablet computer is available at each workstation or machine for starting and stopping jobs. The work process of a production order is started in the app using a barcode. When you stop the process, you are shown which operations you have started. By pressing the stop button, the operation will be stopped and the processing time will now be calculated automatically. If necessary, this calculated time can be divided into the time for setup and production. If you want to make your production more transparent in a digital way, the production data collection via the EVO apps is exactly the right way. It is ideal if there is a touch PC or tablet computer next to the workers to save walking distances. If you want to make your production more digital and transparent, give us a call or send us an email. I would be happy if you become more digital and agile with us. Thank you for watching this video. We have more to come. See you next time.